Hi everybody, this is Joe with another video for OS 10 Mountain Lion for the technologycloset.com. Today I'm going to talk about iCloud, Apple's cloud storage and syncing solution, and how you can sign up for it, why you would want to sign up for it, and what it basically offers you. Apple's website has a lot of detailed information on each of these features. They're actually adding more all the time, and so I'll just briefly touch on them. The photo stream is it will store and sync to all your other devices automatically your last 1,000 photographs, either taken on an iOS device or imported into iTunes and moved into the photo stream group. This does not count toward the 5 gigabyte storage limit that they give you for free. They start you out with 5 gigabytes. That will include your documents, which is exactly what it is. You can store documents from any application in the cloud, and then it's automatically accessible to your other devices. It'll sync your Safari bookmarks, and it offers you calendar, contacts, and email, and your email counts towards that storage limit as well. It also, if you have an iOS device or multiple iOS devices, it also offers you backup and restore of the device itself to the cloud without having to have a computer turned on or iTunes running. You just have to be on a Wi-Fi network, any Wi-Fi network, and it will back up your device periodically to the cloud, so that if you have to replace the device for any reason, or if you upgrade your device, all you have to do is sign in, and everything from your device, all your settings, all your content syncs back down to your device. It's really rather nice. Find My Friends and Find My iPhone location-based services. Those are some of the other ones. Also, automatic application. If you buy an application on iTunes on your computer and you turn this on, it will automatically push that new application to your iOS devices, or vice versa. Same thing with iTunes. Anything you purchase in the iTunes store, video, audio, TV shows, books, it will automatically sync that to all your other devices. If you decide to turn it on, you can turn them on and off. Instead of going into all the details on all the different features, I will go ahead and show you how to sign up and how to set up your computer to work with iCloud. Let me quit out of Safari for now. And the way you sign up for it is through System Preferences on your Mac. And there's an Internet and Wireless section that has iCloud. We go to iCloud. And here, if you already have an Apple ID, if you've used iTunes in the past, you can either use that ID, or you would actually want to create one if you never used it before. So click the link to create the Apple ID. It's going to ask for your location, United States for me, and we're going to pick a birth date. And this is where you would say use an existing email address or get a free iCloud email address. They're offering you the email free of charge, and it's one of those things where it just works. So I would recommend you to get a free iCloud email address. And in this case, we're going to request the Technology Closet at iCloud.com. We'll go for custom. So basically, it's going to ask you for the email address name that you want at iCloud.com. It's going to ask for your first and last name, create a password, and in this case, I selected a custom secret question. This is for retrieval of your password should you need to reset it. And we hit next. And of course, we have to keep them happy. One uppercase letter. Okay, and then you accept the terms and conditions, and this will set you up. Okay, this is asking you what you want to use it for. Use iCloud for contacts, calendars, reminders, notes, and Safari, which we do want to do, and turn on Find My Mac, which if you have a laptop, that's indispensable. If you don't have a mobile computer, it's up to you whether you want to turn it on or not. If it's a desktop, chances are not going to go anywhere. I'll just leave it on, and we'll hit next. And we want to allow Find My Mac. And as you can see, you have mail, contacts, calendars and reminders, notes, Safari. By default, it did not turn on PhotoStream or Back to My Mac. I'm going to leave Back to My Mac off. That's basically if you have a desktop and you want to access your computer, screen share, if you will, from outside the network. If you travel a lot with a laptop, you can use it to remote control your computer at home if it's online. I'm going to leave that off in this instance. And PhotoStream. Now, it won't let us turn this on right now because I don't have the iLife suite, specifically iPhoto or Aperture, Apple's professional photo editing application, installed. It requires those. We'll go to we'll touch on PhotoStream and iPhoto in another video, but that's where you would turn it on. It shows you here I have 5 gigabytes of 5 gigabytes available, and we can manage that space within the application here, within the preference pane. You see I have 5 megabytes of mail and nothing from backups from my iOS devices, because I have none signed up with this account right now. You can also change the storage plan here if you require more space. If you have, for instance, if you have an iPad, an iPhone, an iPod Touch, and a Mac, the backups alone from your iPhone and your iPad and your iPod Touch may, and of course the email account once you start receiving emails, may exceed 5 gigabytes. So you may want to increase that storage. And it's pretty reasonably priced. You can upgrade to 15 gigabytes total, by an extra 10 gigabytes for $20 a year. It's not terribly expensive for what you get. And as I said, if you have more than one iOS device, chances are you're going to eventually want to hit the upgrade path here, and purchase some more storage. So that's where you would do that, and you would also be required to enter a credit card, etc. And you would view your account information here, email address, password, that kind of thing, as well as set up a primary credit card on the account, which I'm not going to do here. That's how you set it up. And now that we have that, in future videos we can go over email, calendars, and contacts. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and please hit our YouTube channel and subscribe.